Found a vintage US elevator at some shopping center. Oh, this is at the Tempe Boardwalk. Oh, it's all brown inside. Oh, how awesome is that? This is a vintage, very classy, all brown elevator. Look at those, how it just re-leveled now. Look at those beautiful buttons. I love that door. This elevator deserves one more round trip. We're gonna take it back down to 1 and get off at 2. I knew this place would have a US elevator. Let's get off at 2. We're gonna get off here. Classic leveling. And that'll be it.